Why willpower didn't work for me is something I didn't understand for a very long time. Because I actually thought I just needed more discipline. Like if I could just be more consistent, more controlled, it would finally click. But what I realized later completely changed how I see this. Hey, if you don't know me, I'm Sarah. I've been figuring this out for a very long time. My health, my habits, and how my body actually works. And I've been on a health journey for years. I've done things like cut sugar, cut flour, working out consistently, really trying to take care of myself. So this wasn't coming from a place of not trying. I've been very consistent, which is why this was confusing for me. For a long time, I really believed the problem was simple. I thought, just need to be more disciplined. Like I literally had moments where I'd think, just do it. Just stay on track. Just be more disciplined. And sometimes that worked for a little while, but it never solved it. And that's the part that kept bothering me. Because when I really look back, I was doing a lot right. I was working out consistently. I cut out sugar, cut out flour. I stopped drinking alcohol. Like I wasn't casually trying. I was committed. And I remember thinking, why does this still feel so hard sometimes? Why does it still feel like I'm fighting something? That's when it started to not make sense. And this is where I started noticing something different. There were moments where I didn't feel like it was a choice. Like when I was stressed, overwhelmed, or just mentally drained, food was just like the next thing to do. Not even because I was hungry. It just felt automatic. I didn't fully understand it at the time. I just thought, I just need to be stronger. And honestly, this was a big realization for me because I started thinking, what if this isn't just about discipline? What if my body actually learned these patterns? Like over time, with stress, with emotions, with habits, my body created these automatic responses. And if that's the case, then trying to force willpower on top of that only goes so far. And that actually gave me a sense of relief because it wasn't about something being wrong with me. So now I look at things completely different. I still believe discipline matters. I still believe consistency matters. But I don't think that's the whole picture anymore. Now I pay attention to things like, what is happening in my body? Is this stress? Is this patterns? Is this automatic? And that awareness alone started to change things for me. And this actually connects to something that I've been noticing recently, which I'll share more about in another video. If you're curious about what I've learned and what I'm using, I put a simple guide together and you can find it in the description below. But I'm really curious. Have you ever been feeling like you've been doing everything right, but something still feels off? Like it wasn't just willpower? Let me know in the comments. I'd really love to hear your experience.